Hi friends, here is Imran Khan, admin of Islam to Tech. You can watch all my video tutorials on my YouTube channel, which is youtube.com/Islam to Tech. Let's see what's the topic of today, friends. I'm gonna teach you about Dropbox today. Dropbox application. So many people don't know that what is Dropbox and how to use the Dropbox. So I have divided this Dropbox into 4 topics, friends. Which is first one is what is Dropbox, second one is why we use the Dropbox, third one is what's the features of Dropbox, and the fourth one is how to use the Dropbox. Let's start from first one. What is Dropbox? So I would like to say that Dropbox is nothing but a hard disk, friends. It is a storage space. It is a storage device, friends. But we see the storage devices like hard disk, memory chips, which we call my memory cards, and many other storages like CD, DVDs, etc. etc. We can see daily these storage items, but we don't. So many people don't know about online storage. So it is nothing but a like a storage device, friends. But we can store our files, all our files, on in online. So it is Dropbox is a application where you can save all your files in online, friends. So if you have a Dropbox account, then you can save your files up to 2 GB for free. If you want to save more than 2 GB, then you can pay them to buy storage space from them, and after that you can sorry after then you can storage so many files in online, friends. So I hope you understand the first one, and we are going to second one, friends. Why we use the Dropbox? Actually, we use the Dropbox because if you are using the hard disk in your computer to store the files, to storage the files, sometimes the hard disk will be corrupted, or it will got to short circuited, so your files will be damaged and the files will be lost, friends. So if you have Dropbox account, you are using Dropbox, then you don't have to worry about your files, because even if your hard disk was damaged, then you can download all your important data from the Dropbox which you have stored there. So it is the use of Dropbox, friends. If you are using the Dropbox, you can share your files with your friends from wherever. If you are going to any town or where other cities, you can download from there also. You don't need to take your hard disk to use there, or you don't need to take other storage media with you. So you just upload your data to Dropbox and download whenever you want, wherever you want. So it is the use of the Dropbox, friends, and you can share files from the Dropbox also. You can get links from the Dropbox also. If you are using website, then you can upload your data to Dropbox, then you can get the link from the Dropbox and get and attach that link to the your website. So it is the use of Dropbox, friends. I hope you understand why we use the Dropbox. And the third point is what's the features of Dropbox. Let's see what's the features of Dropbox, friends. Dropbox features are so many, friends. So first you have what to have to do is you should have to sign in your Dropbox account. First go to sign up, and there you will ask first name, last name, email, give your email here, password here, then agree their terms, then sign up. If you have account, then sign in, friends. After you sign in, you will go to Dropbox account. Here you can see at the left hand side that files, which you can see that which files you have uploaded. Those files will can be see here. And here photos. If you are uploading so many files, You should not have to search for only photos. This application will gives you chance to only see your photos. Whatever you upload, the pictures only will shown here with this button. If you want to see all your pictures which you have uploaded, then just click with single click. It is a single click and your photos will be shown here. And it is a sharing means which gives you a chance to share your data with your friends. Just click on here and new share new shared folder. Click on that click on that button, and you can see here I would like to create it and share a new folder. Click on next. Give a name to your folder, friends. Click on next and invite members. Invite members means if you have import contacts, first connect with your Facebook account or Twitter account. I will teach you later, friends. First see what's the features of it. And here you can see link. Click on that link option. If you click on that link option, the files which you have uploaded, they will be shown here. And just give just open that file and you will take you to the link of that file. Here you can see it is a link of your file, friends. You can copy it and paste it wherever you want, so the file can view by all other peoples. You can apply that link on your website, on your blog, on your Facebook, wherever you want. It is the event. You can create an event also. Here I have connected my computer with the drop down Dropbox to drop down my files whenever I want. You can also do this, friends. I will teach you after this topic. This is I am showing only what's the feature of Dropbox. So it's all our features of Dropbox, friends. And get started will show you that what you should want. Install Dropbox on your computer means it is a shortcut of Dropbox which gives you an software to you where you can simply, without going to their website, you can drop your all files which you want to upload to Dropbox. You can drag and drop your files to the Dropbox software that will be uploaded automatically to Dropbox. And you can put your files into Dropbox by downloading this application. You can share a folder with friends and or colleagues. You can share folder with friends or colleagues by clicking on this. If you clicking on this, you will go to as a you can invite friends, your friends also, to join the Dropbox by clicking on this. You can use Dropbox on your mobile, tablet, iPhone, iPad, on your Android device or BlackBerry device, etc., etc. And here we can see that how much space we used. We got 2 GB for free used after we sign in. And here you can change your settings. Change your settings by clicking on that, friends. And installation, it will gives you that Dropbox free download 3.04 Windows version of 3.04. You can download Dropbox version for which you want. It is a shortcut. That is a shortcut where you can upload your files from your computer, desktop. And upgrade means you should have to, you must, if you have use it 2 GB and you want more online storage, then you can buy $9.99 per a month. Paying them it will give 1 TB, I mean 1000 GB of space it will give to you to store your files up to 1000 GB online storage. So you can upgrade, you can use this option to upgrade. You should have to pay first to them to use that option, and it is a sign out account. After you use that, you can sign out. And also and it is also from Dropbox, Carousel. You can start a conversation with your friends, you can share it. First you have to add your friends to this who have Dropbox account, then you can share your messages, your photos, your files through online. It is a mailbox app friend which gives you to, first you have to, it is a mailbox where you can store all your emails to this box. The emails will be come here and you can check your emails directly from this Dropbox account options. So you can upgrade your account here, and I hope you understand what's the features inside in the Dropbox friends. And it gives a features which we call shortcuts of Dropbox. You can see here, you should have to download this one Dropbox. If it was a shortcut of Dropbox friends where you can upload your files to the Dropbox by first first have to install this Dropbox application onto your desktop, then open the desktop. After opening this, you can drag and drop here your file which will be uploaded. You can see here that it was shown a small, like as friends, you can see here that I have drag and drop a Gmail box here, and here you can see it was, there is a blue small icon was shown here. It is showing that the file was being uploaded. After uploaded, the file will be give a tick mark like as green patch here. It means the file has been uploaded. So it is the meaning of that friends. It is the features of the Dropbox. The Dropbox was located here. Which files are being uploaded, it will shown here. You can see which files have been uploaded from here. You can upload any files from here onto your desktop easily. After this, these are the features of Dropbox friends. After you sign in here, the Dropbox will look like this. You can install the shortcut of Dropbox by clicking on this button, free download for Windows. If you want to download this file for offline install, then click on it. If you want to download the file to online install, just click on this. So you can learn how to use the Dropbox by clicking on take a tour of Dropbox. Hope you understand what's the features of Dropbox friends. After this topic we will go for the fourth one, which is how to use the Dropbox. So it is nothing but using of Dropbox is very easy, friends. You can use in two methods. Which one is going online with, to their official website www.dropbox.com, which you can see here. Type it here, www.dropbox.com. Hit enter. Sorry, Dropbox. Dropbox.com, friends. After you hit enter, the site will be opened, and it will show which files you have uploaded here in the files option. If you want to view only photos, then click on photos. It will show only photos which you have uploaded. It will show only photos here which you have uploaded. So you need not to worry that you have to search for only photos. The photos was in separate folders, so you need not to worry. The all the photos which was located in your files will be shown here, just one click. And you can share all your data, all your stuff with your friends by clicking on sharing. So first we start how to use the Dropbox, friends. From uploading files, to upload the files there are two methods, friends. First one is going on their website, which was dropbox.com, and upload there. I will show how to upload. First go to dropbox.com website, and then click this option, upload. So after you click on that, box will be come like this. Click on choose files. After you choose that, choose the file which you want to upload from your computer. So I want to upload this file, then I will click open. You can see here the file has been uploaded. So it was uploaded, friends, and I will click on done. After uploading, you can see here the file has been uploaded. If you want to share it, then click on share, and this is a link to file, friends. It is a link which you can copy, and you can insert the link onto your website, or on your blog, or on your Facebook, or your Twitter, wherever you want to show this file. You want to share your file, then there you can copy this link and paste there where you want to share this. If you don't want to share on that, you can send link to your friends by email, or after you added friends to your account, then you can give a name of them, and you can send this file to your friends. You can simply add their email ID here, like etc at gmail.com. After you do this, message optional it was, then click on send. It is very simple to send files to your friends. The file will be send it to your friends. So it was very easy to share here, and it is the first method to upload files. And the second method is, first have to go to install, go to there, and download. Click on free download. As per your required, you can download. If you are using Apple, Macintosh OS, then it will show automatically that download for Apple. If you are using Android, then it will show automatically that download for Android. I am using the Windows, so that's why it was free download for Windows. It was showing this like this. So click on that option and download for your Windows, Android, Mac, BlackBerry, etc. And if you want to download this file for offline install, then click on this link. The file will be downloaded for offline install. It was for only online installation, friends. And after you download the box, After you download the installation file, the Dropbox will look like this. Open the Dropbox. It is a method to upload files, friends. It is a second method which you can use shortcut for upload files. After you open this, simply drag and drop this. Drag the files. Take the files which you want to upload there. Take this file. If you want to upload this file, then drag here and drop here in the Dropbox application. Just the file will be uploaded. While it was uploaded, it was shown in small blue mark. If it was uploaded, then it will give a tick mark like as green check mark. You can see here it is showing a green check mark. Let's see. It will show a green check mark if it was fully uploaded. If it was being uploading, then it will show like this. It was being uploading means. So after uploaded, it will give a check mark in green option. So it was the two methods to upload the files into Dropbox, friends. And after upload, you want to share the files with your friends, colleagues or cousins, then go to sharing option. And click on new shared folder. I would like to create a new folder. Clicking on this option, it was defaulty, so click on next. Give a name to your folder, then click on next. So you must have to add members. You can only share these files who have Dropbox. So you can only share these files who have Dropbox. If you want to share this file with the persons who don't have Dropbox, you can just go to link option and click on this option. Click on the file which you want to share. You can see here shared link option. Click on this. After you click that, you will got a link of the file. Just copy it and send the link to them with who you want to share the file. You can share like this your files from the Dropbox. If you have friends who using Dropbox, you can directly share from the Dropbox by choosing this option, sharing. So after you have done all your works, then go to sign out and check out from here. I hope you have enjoyed the friends. While you are signing in Dropbox, when you are sign up into Dropbox, the Dropbox will give 2 GB data, 2 GB space to storage your files. After the 2 GB, you can't store them more than 2 GB. You have to upgrade after then. So there is another website is also there which is called Mediafire. Check out that. It was giving 20 GB of online storage space, friends. So enjoy that also. I hope you enjoy the tutorial. If you have any doubts, you want any clarity, then please give us a feedback and comment in the comment section. I will reply to you and I will try to give an explanation to you, friends. So thanks for watching the video. Have a great day.